Oh my, why is it one piece? Look at this. Whoa. Welcome everybody. Ohayo gozaimasu. Well, I might edit this part out. But as you can see right now, this rain is completely crazy. It is monumental torrential downpour. It's almost like there's a typhoon here in the middle of February. And yeah, this is kind of what Okinawa's weather can be like at any time. It makes a lot of rain, a lot of wind. Because we had a lot of wind the day before and a lot of rain. Yeah, a lot of winds a couple days before and a lot of rain yesterday. But today I guess we kind of put them all together. But yeah, this is just one of my drives. Well, I don't know, you can probably hear the rain a lot more than me. Sorry about that. I couldn't to get a mic. I ordered one, so I'm just waiting for it to arrive. Hopefully that happens soon-ish. But yeah, I want to improve the quality of my videos, improve the quality of my voice. But yeah, for now you guys just get to enjoy some of this crazy rain and wind and be like weather, which I don't know, maybe do you guys really miss this? It's almost like, again, it's almost like a typhoon that everything here, which even in winter it's also like a cold rain too. But it feels kind of refreshing, but we quickly just get really soaked. Does anybody know where I am currently right now? Oh, there's a sign that we so there's also a lot of raindrops that are extremely easy, so maybe it's not going to be as easy to tell. But yeah, today's just an evening drive. I got out of work, I guess, at a reasonable time, but then I had to go shopping for it, so I guess not really. And I'm currently heading towards another area to shop for my job. Yeah, my job contains a lot of things for me to do all the time, so. But I don't know, I always like the drives and just kind of listening to the sounds of the rain and the wind banging up against my car. I mean, again, it's obviously a lot more dangerous when you're driving around because people get into more accidents or a lot more cautious in the rain, especially for hydroplaning. Oh, I guess you can kind of see a little bit more clearly now just how crazy the rain is. But it's been like this probably since, well, it's almost 6:30 now. It's been like this probably since about 1 or 2. Good. Actually beat my friend here. She's so slow. Crazy rain out there, you can see it. What
Are you
is
vlogging
that?
right now? Don't.
Maybe.
Blur my face out.
Blur your face out?
Blur
Okay.
my face out.
Your face is already half obscured by your mask.
Yeah.
You want me to obscure your voice too? Like with like the
Yeah.
or you sound like a man or something?
That's kind of funny.
Sorry, I didn't want to film in the store because the thing kept, our meter thing kept blowing up about like emergency notifications because of flooding warnings. This is so bad out there, as you can see. Somebody, or no, you can't see, it's running inside. I think they're running inside. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in the car. Oh, sorry. I realized I didn't film inside the store much at all for the most part. It's supposed to be like a small tour, but I didn't want to show you guys too much because it was all work stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna drive home and try not to die on the way because it's still really bad. And I just got another warning in the time that I recorded that from the time it took me to get to this car. So that's not very long at all. So anyway, but yeah, I'll see you guys later. ありがとうございました。またねー。